Why developers can't live without Git. Hey developers, hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Git. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more React tips and tricks. That's exactly what Git does, it's your code time machine. In this video, I'll show you the basics of Git. Git is a free tool that tracks changes in your code, lets you collaborate with others, and helps you recover if something breaks. Git installing Step 1. Open Git SCM. Com Step 2. Download and install Step 3. Run below in the terminal git config global user.name. Your name, git config global user. Email, you're@email.com. Every Git project starts with git init. Use git status to see changes, git add to stage them, and git commit to save them permanently. Push to share with your team. Git init hash start repo git status hash check changes git add. Hash stage all changes git commit m. Message. Hash save snapshot git push hash send to remote. Branches let you work on new features without breaking the main code. Create with git branch, switch with git checkout, and merge when ready. Git branch feature 1 git checkout feature 1 git merge feature 1. Made a mistake? Undo commits with git reset, or discard unwanted changes with git checkout. Git reset soft head approximately 1 hash undo last commit git checkout file name hash discard file changes. That's Git in a nutshell. In the next video, we'll take this to GitHub and collaborate like pros. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, share it with your dev friends, subscribe for more practical tutorials, turn on the bell so you never miss an update. Thank you.